Hi, Type 2. Thank you for taking the time to answer all those questions. Believe me, this was a huge first step toward a journey of deep self-knowledge. Well, buckle up because we're talking about you today, and you're about to feel seen. Picture this. You're the friend who always shows up with soup when someone is sick. Or you're the one texting them in the middle of a hectic day just to say, "Hey, thinking of you. Need anything?" That's classic Type 2 energy. But sometimes you'll do so much for others that you'll burn out. And instead of asking for help, you're like, "I got this, I'm fine," even though you're juggling 10 different things. As a Type 2, you can't help but jump in and offer a hand whenever someone needs it. You're the one who remembers everyone's birthday. You're also the one making sure everyone is fed and happy. Does that sound familiar? You're amazing at giving, but it's totally okay to receive too. Your personal growth happens when you learn to care for yourself just as much as you care for others. Self-care isn't selfish, it's essential. Let's get to the heart of what drives you. At your core, what drives you is this need to be loved and appreciated. It's not about just helping for the sake of it, although you do love it. But deep down, you really want to feel needed. And that's totally valid. We all want to be valued, but for you, it's the main thing that makes your heart sing. But here's the thing. Sometimes you give so much of yourself that you forget to check in with your own needs. Maybe you found yourself feeling disappointed when the love and appreciation you give out don't come back the same way. And that's when things can get tough for a Type 2. When you're healthy and in balance, you're the person everyone can count on to do things the right way. But when stress kicks in, you can get stuck in a cycle of criticism, either toward yourself or others, and that can lead to burnout or resentment. So, how do you grow as a Type 2? One of your biggest lessons is realizing that it's okay to say no. It doesn't make you less loving. It doesn't make you less generous. The people who truly care about you don't need you to overextend yourself to stay close. Here on this page, you'll find more insights about your Type 2 patterns. And if you'd like a deeper look, including your motivations, wings, and relationship dynamics, your personalized premium report is there to support you. I know how much you care about others, but just as much as you care for them, you deserve to be cared for too. You are worthy of love, just as you are. No need to do anything special to earn it. The Enneagram test is a powerful tool for improving your relationships and connecting with others. Share it with your family, friends, and colleagues. Our premium report will help you better understand yourself and improve the aspects of your personality that prevent you from being the best version of yourself. So next time you're about to sign up for that extra volunteer shift or bake cookies for your entire neighborhood, remember, it's okay to put yourself first. You're already lovable just by being you. This is just the beginning of your journey. Good luck.